What's up, guys? In this episode, we're going to be going over cutting your board out of your blank, shaping, sanding, drilling truck holes, all that stuff to get it ready for painting. I want to say that this is by far and away my favorite process in the skateboard making. Just when you get to cut the board out and shape the wood and everything, it really gives you that personal touch, that one with wood feeling, if you will. So sit back, enjoy, and we'll see you at the end. All right, guys, so this is where I left you off last time with the perfectly blank board ready to cut. I could have swore I recorded, maybe I lost the footage, I don't know. But all I did was I took a Anti-Hero John Cardiel 8.25 board and I put it in what I thought, I eyeballed the center of the blank and I just traced it around. Now I've seen other people take like a piece of paper and make a template with that, but I did it the good old let's just send it way. So here I am, just cutting around, cutting the rough shape out of the blank. Yeah, not being very precise here, just using a jigsaw to cut it out. Dude. Little D-Lamb, little D-Lamb. Not too bad. We'll take it. Okay, and now I'm just shaping the edges with the hand rasp. It comes with the RoaRockIt kit. You can also get a scraper from them that will help you finish the edges, or you can use a router. I have not used a router yet, but I will be trying it on the next board I make. I do enjoy using the hand tools just because it kind of gives you that feeling of one with the wood. And so right here I went from the rasp to the scraper and it gives it a real nice profile edge, plus it's very satisfying getting the wood shavings off with this thing. Nice little dangly ones. Okay, we're back. It's been a couple of days, significantly warmer, and we've got the rough shape. We're gonna go with a 14.5-inch wheelbase. Oh, that's what I wanted to get. This is from the first batch of boards that I made from RoaRockIt, and this one is a pre-shaped board. And this one says a 13.5-inch wheelbase, it says. That's crazy. All right. So we're gonna go with a 14.5-inch wheelbase. 8.5. So here I'm just taking measurements, trying to get the dimensions of my board. 8 3/4-ish. What did I say? 14.5 we're doing? Yes. So there's 7.25. You guys can see it if that matters to you. This is how idiots do things right here. 7.25. Yes. Okay. Now I've got truck lines.
does that not even work? Okay, so what I'm discovering is because my nose and tail are so steep, I believe, I cannot do a 14-inch wheelbase. It needs to be flat. I'm very confused. But anyway, so that plan is scrapped. Dude, this thing's gonna be crazy. It's funny. It really is. And I'm dumb enough not to have a center line, so there's that. Too, there's all sorts of problems. Jessup.
Figured I'd spare you the hour I spent trying to aimlessly measure things and show you where I decided to put a center line on the skateboard, which I should have done from the beginning. So if you don't have a long, flexible, straight edge, just get yourself a piece of grip tape and use that. And now here I'm using my center line to figure out where I'm going to put my trucks on.
And we're just winging it here. Enough measuring. Start drilling. First one. Who cares? Haven't gotten any of the other ones to line up anyway, right?
Yeah, so far on all three skateboards I've made, the most bolts I've been able to get into the truck is 3.
Normally, I think my inclination would be to use a drill press on this, but since there's not really any flat surface to go off of, it's kind of between air bubbles and everything. There ain't much flat to it, you know? So I think I'm just gonna try to drill straight down. Like, haven't gotten them to match up yet. So I don't know why this time would be any different. And that was with 3 drilled holes, so let's just do it. Okay, here we go. Okay, there's that. What? What the? My gosh. I didn't mark my holes good enough and I was, oh, you idiot. You moron. And it's already so bad. Oh, it's so annoying. Well.
So I accidentally used the wrong mark to drill through one of the truck holes and it was completely off. That's why I'm so upset.
Okay, well that one fits. Now granted, these are some old crusty ass Thunders. So the both holes may be a little blown out, but hey. What do I want to do with that? Is it worth filling? Might as well. I've got it.
Just using standard wood filler to fill in the mistake.
Well, isn't that nice? It did go pretty much all the way through. Intimidating part is done. I'm now gonna sand down some of the note, like the shape's not quite what I wanted. It's almost there. And then this time I'm gonna use this scraper that I got from RoaRockIt right here, this bad boy. That's how I'm gonna finish the edges. So then I just started sanding away the rough stuff. We start at 60 grit, go up to about 220, I believe, and we used that RoaRockIt edger to get the nice curve on the edge, finish it off with the sander, and that's how you kind of get it down to your final shape before it's ready for paint. And so right there I noticed a couple little gaps from the glue not connecting, so I just put a little CA glue on there, let it dry, sand it off, and then right back to 220 grit, and we'll call that done. Okay, so she's all sanded up, shaped how she's gonna be shaped for this round, and yeah, I think I'm pretty pumped. Found one more delam spot that I had to super glue. I mean, there's a couple. It's like whatever at this point, you know what I mean? Try to do it better next time, but
And there you go, guys. There is your blank skateboard ready for varnish and paint, and we'll be going over all that stuff in the next episode. So thanks for hanging out. We will see you soon, and as always, stay tubular, bro.